together across all the channels. What does all this mean? So there's been themes throughout the whole presentation that there's some key things that every single platform cares about. First off, native content is preferred. Doesn't mean you don't do any of your own content. And I honestly, this is something that I feel that a little bit of a social contract that was built with webmasters and content producers, a little bit being broken. Google's doing the same thing with on-site results. The days of, hey, we play by your rules, you send us traffic, we send you traffic, everybody's happy, in the sake of monetization and domination of the world is being broken a little bit, but they prefer native content. They want unique content, and their feeling is, we want your content and we'll give you some traffic. Okay, so native content is preferred, but that native content gets a lot of exposure. So when you do put in your own content to your site, rising tide raises all boats, so it's still very worthwhile. Major shift. You need to be actively engaged with your audience, and your audience needs to be engaged with you. All the algorithms heavily push this now. They didn't a few years ago. You could just throw out tons of content, spaghetti against the wall, handful of your things would get tons of likes, and all was good and happy. Okay. Now they very heavily, all the algorithms really look at how engaged you are on the channel. So you going out and commenting, because it's also a very easy indicator if you're a legit account or not. Remember, they ran across a ton of problems, all these platforms with bots and spams and shady things over the past couple of years. This is a very natural, very democratic way for them to see if this is a legit account that they want to be part of the community, and that is also contributing to the community that is that social platform. You have to be active on a regular basis. Goes back to my previous point. Focus on a specific topic and be relevant to your audience. All these platforms, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Twitter, whether it's Instagram, whether it's YouTube, whether it's LinkedIn, they all have insights. They all tell you the content your audience is interested in. Go after that content, because there is, in all these algorithms, the amount of content, a ratio to the amount of content put out, and the level of engagement. So the more you can focus on the content that your audience is very interested in, that's going to get the higher engagement, the more exposure you get. So take some time and look through the insights and the analytics on all these platforms that are available to you to see what people are the most interested in. And then finally, get a video strategy together. All these platforms prefer video, period, full stop. Whether it's native, whether it lives on your site, at the end of the day, they all love video. Instagram says, well, we don't give preference to video, which is, I'm sure, is absolutely true. But individuals, people prefer video. So going back to what Instagram has said as well, put a video on, more people engage with video. So get a video strategy together. Honestly, it's not as hard as it sounds, and you'll get better with it over time. But there's some great open source video editing tools that are out there. It's very easy to create a video nowadays, technology out there. Start using video if you're not already using video, and things will move along greatly.